My name is Deborah Bunch, and I'm representing Scouting America, formerly known as Boy Scouts of America. A whole lot of people came out. This was an awesome event. From my understanding, this is the second annual one. We plan on being represented from this point on.
My name is Brianka Kirtley, and I work with Covering Kids and Families over at the Health Department. Cafe brought me here to showcase our health insurance for the public. Can't wait for the next event. You rock, Cafe.
My name is Maddie Hernandez, and I'm actually the Student Enrollment Coordinator for Phelan Virtual Leadership Academy. We are here out at the tailgate having, first of all, so much fun. It is really exciting out here seeing all the families and the kids. They make an event that's actually fun for people. So it's not just getting the things that you need, but also bringing out the family and having a fun time, which a lot of us with a lot of kids, I have a big family, it gets hard because it gets expensive. So it's also great to see, people having fun and getting what they need.
Hi, my name is Nariela Sandino. I am the director and founder of Dance Squad Performance Academy. I'm always very interested in anything that Cafe has going on for the community because they really cater to our needs and everything in the east side and in the Indianapolis area. They had from food vendors to backpacks to multiple resources for the community, and it was just an amazing turnout.
Give a shout out to David Bell, coming back and helping out the Far East Side. This is what life about, man. You make something happen, you grow up out of here, you make it out of here, then you come back and help out your community.